Hey, what's up creators? The Virtus Game Jam has now ended, submissions have been closed, and the entries have been ranked. And today I'm really excited to announce our top 3 winners, what they did for their game, and just spread a little bit of love for all of the entries that we've had to this game jam. That being said, you should all be incredibly proud of all of the games that you have put together. They were amazing, a lot of fun, and it was so hard for me and the team here to judge these and get you a top 3. So without further ado, let's go ahead and break down our top 3 entries. In first place, we had 4ELM, short for 4 Elements, I assume. A really fun and addictive platforming game where you're going through your platform as a side-scroller, avoiding obstacles and different elements using abilities to remove all of those. It was incredibly fun, hard and addictive. I kept finding myself going to replay trying to get further and further every single time, and that's exactly what you want for a side-scroller. Moving on to second place, we had the Snatch Before Christmas, a really polished top-down combat game. With this, you'll be fighting as one of the elves trying to save Christmas, fighting gingerbread men. Now, with this, you're not just doing regular stick fighting, you have got 4 different elements that you can use to make this combat come to life, and boy oh boy, it was incredibly polished and a lot of fun. I definitely recommend that you check it out for yourself. And then lastly, in third place, we had Test Subjects, which was within a Doom-inspired world. And inside of this world, you'd be faced with these 4 elements, using them to traverse through the level, whether that be sort of using fire to unlock things, electricity to unlock things, and also just trying to avoid them at the same time because they hurt. And each of them were different. The fire, for example, would be leaving trails behind, whereas the sparks would be getting bigger and smaller. And you have to adjust accordingly and use these to complete the level. Again, a lot of fun. Our top 3 contestants are going to be getting some amazing prizes. They're going to be getting physical Virtus merch, lifetime access to our courses, and they're also going to be getting various plugin and asset goodies from our sponsors Visualistic Studio and Sidearm Studios. With all of that being said, this game jam was a lot of fun. As always, every single year, I'm astonished to see the games that you all create, and I'm super excited for the next one, which is going to be even bigger, better, and just another opportunity for you to learn and grow and just build a game in a very short period of time. That's it for now though, I hope you have enjoyed it. As always, stay awesome, keep curating. Virtus signing out.